This video is about how to install a door closer on a sliding pocket door. Now, let's go to Home Depot and find some materials that we're going to use or install to make this door, pocket sliding door, close by himself. Alright? Sliding door. Sliding door closer. Now we have to drill a hole here. Right there. We're going to install
What's that?
a hanging wire, stainless cable, and the roller. All these came from Home Depot. Now, first we have to install this wire. But the wire is not very cooperative. Okay. Now, insert the wire here at the hole and tie it here.
Where?
Here, right there.
Oh.
We can tie it there because it's too tight. We can tie it. Just gonna put it right there. Right there. Okay. Okay. That's it. A single nut will do it. And give it a couple of turns to twist the wire. So now it's properly anchored. And then you're just gonna put a weight here. Once you let it go, it's gonna close. So what kind of weight that we have? Let's try this way. Okay. Right now we're not going to, this is just temporary to make, just an experiment to know what kind of weight, how heavy is the weight is that we can put in here. And then after we figure out what weight that we have, so we don't have a weight scale, only the specification of this water bottle, which says here it's how many, what's the weight? Never mind.
It's an ounce.
Yeah, it's an ounce. It's 16.9 fluid ounces. So it's not enough. So add another weight until you figure out what kind of weight in metal that you need. Right? Also, to make it better, you have to put a roller in this. And this is the roller that I'm going to put. It is called screen door steel ball bearing, and it's adjustable. So I'm going to put it here, right here. There you go. To make it slide even better. Right? Now, but first we have to determine what kind of weight that we need. So one bottle is enough. Let's make it two. Now, I don't have a weigh scale or something that will make to determine what kind of weight that I need. So we have to make do of all things that we have at home, like example, bottled water, right? So let's put another bottled water to see if 2 bottled water is enough. If not, we can add up another bottle. So maybe if I install a roller, I think will make it easier. Right. So we screw this. Can you hold this like that, please? Now there's a roller. Are you recording it? Now it will make it easier the door to be pulled in, right? So 2 bottle is heavier. So let's remove the other bottle. See if things could work.
Ayaw.
Now, 2 bottle isn't good. 2 bottle is too much. So let's drink the half of the water.
Oh.
So that's good enough, right?
Yeah.
So that's how you install a door closer for the sliding pocket door. See you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.
You happy with your results?
Yeah, I did it because of Mochi. Mochi is peeing in a basin, all over the basement, peeing and pooping. Now, he cannot do it anymore. He's gonna pee and poop here. Voila! Thanks.